Of the 5 people who were killed last night, 4 were drownings, and 1 was a Hanover firefighter killed in a motor vehicle accident. Our thoughts and prayers go out to Hanover County Fire and EMS on the loss of Lieutenant Brad Clark and the injury of several others in a tractor-trailer fire truck crash on I-295. We cannot stress enough that motorists should adjust their driving to the road conditions caused by any storm. Please don't drive across flooded roadways. These are dangerous driving conditions. Do not underestimate the risks they pose to your safety.